Hello guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to the Christmas season. May I officially welcome you to the holidays? Hey! So here is one jollof recipe that you wouldn't want to miss this season. First, I'll start by adding my vegetable oil, and then I'll add my dried rosemary, curry powder and dried thyme into the oil so I can get all the fragrance,
And now it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling.
Then I'll add in my chopped onions. I'm using the white onion. I'll saute it till it is translucent. So remember that I already have my curry powder and the likes in the oil, so by now my kitchen is having this very good aroma. And that's one thing about jollof rice. You can't be making jollof rice and people in your neighborhood will not know. Here I'm just adding my tomato paste into the oil, so I'll fry this till it is done, till I don't have that sour taste anymore. So I'll keep frying. I'll do this for 3 minutes so I can fry properly.
I can see the snowflakes fall. I can hear the sleigh bells call.
So here is the pepper that I'll be using. I'll blend it and then add it into my tomato paste. So I'll cook this together, make sure it is well cooked and dry. Stir it properly and wait for it to boil. Because I didn't boil down this pepper, I don't have the time. I could have boiled the pepper, so I'll just use it that way. So I have to make sure it is properly cooked before adding in my rice. So now I'll just cover it.
What a feeling when it's time for Christmas. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here.
I'm adding in my seasoning cube and salt. As time goes on, I'll still add more, but for now I'll add in this and stir it properly.
Now it's time for Christmas.
So you can see that my pepper has actually changed. It looks better now.
It's beginning to look like all my wishes
and it looks so rich.
Are coming true. That's why I cheer.
So at this point, I'm trying to taste my pepper and it tastes so nice. It tastes so good. So I'll go on to add in my washed rice. The correct measurement for all of these ingredients will be found in the description box. Please do well to check it out. And also, please, if you have watched onto this part and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much. So right now I'm adding in my washed rice, and then I don't want any grain to be left in that pot. So I'll just stir it together. And I'll be adding some water. If you have some chicken broth or meat stock that you used earlier, you can add it in, but I do not have any of that, so I'm using in water. I'm adding in water. It will still be nice, I promise you. So now I realize I still need more water because it is long grain rice. I don't want to I want to be sure of the measurement. So if you're not sure, this is a very good step you can use. Adding a little bit of water at the first time. You realize that I use baking sheet to cover the pot in order to trap in the heat so that my rice can be properly cooked even without so much water, because jollof rice majorly needs the heat from the pot. Okay.
Time for Christmas.
Okay, I'm just stirring.
Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it. Now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time of year.
Now I'll add in my freshly cut tomatoes and also carrots and also sweet corn.
I've been kind to big and small.
Plus
and now it's time to have a merry
sausages,
holiday.
which are finely chopped.
What a feeling when it's time for Christmas.
Yeah, and the last on the list is butter. So what butter does is that it adds this extra shine to your jollof rice. Okay, so this is a very important step. So you stir this together.
I've been waiting for the season that's mine. So let it come. Yeah, let it come.
So at this point, my jollof is jollofing. Would you be making this recipe? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe, like this particular video, share to your loved ones. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all and I wish you a lovely holiday. Thank you for watching. Bye.
And Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true. That's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the hall.